Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I sat to film a different video, but then I always, before I film YouTube, I watch YouTube videos while I get everything ready. And then I was watching Alexandra and she announced that she was gonna be part of a project plan. I haven't seen this project plan anywhere, even though I follow Rebecca. Maybe I didn't get caught up into the project plan. I don't know why. But then when I saw Ale doing it, then I just wanted to do it for myself. And this is the Roulette pan collab project pan. And this is supposed to be, I think, the 8th update or the 8th. I don't know what it is. But it's a project pan based on a 100 item type of list. And it is as if you were to say, let's just choose one product that it's all in your collection. Then let's just choose another product that it's a black product. Then just choose a product that it's only sold in the US. So I downloaded the list because I'm gonna leave a link below so you guys can check it out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose 8 products. And those products are gonna have a goal for each product. I will set the goal for them, and it's gonna be a rolling project plan, so I can just keep bringing products in and just choose the products randomly. I want to try this because I always choose my products carefully. So I want to see how this one goes, and maybe it will help me try different things from my collection that I wouldn't necessarily put in a project plan if I wasn't doing this project plan. I hope that made sense. But I'm gonna just go in and start with this project plan. I'm gonna pull up a randomizing app on my phone or just the Google random numbers app. I will write them down and then let you guys know which number means which. So that's it if you want to see the 8 products that I'm choosing for this intro of this project plan. So that's it for this project plan. I don't know if they have a set date to rotate all of the products, but if that's the case, you will know on my update. But I really wanted to film this while I wanted to film it, and that will make me start in an excited way. Even though I don't know if there's a date limit, I will do it my way anyway. So I will let you guys know in the update if I find out anything more about this project plan. I will for sure, before going to bed, go and do my research and watch Rebecca's and Alexandra's video, because this is a collab type of project plan and Rebecca and Alexandra are part of it. So I'm excited to be part of it. I'm gonna leave their channels link below, and if you want to see the 8 products that Google chooses for me, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I was trying to let you guys see the numbers, but it looks shady. So I'm gonna write them down and I will come back and we can check the description of the number together. So the numbers I got are 85, 93, 46, 20, 13, 10, 66, and 26. So for 85 is a product that was an impulse buy. Okay, impulse buy. Then 93 is something yellow packaging or product. Then 46, a product you own 2 of backups or dupes. 20 is a product that you're close to using up but forget to reach for. 13, a product that claims to be good for your skin, hair, and nails. That I don't know what could be, actually. Number 10 is your Hogwarts house color. Oh my god, I love that. Number 66 is something black packaging or product. And then number 26, a favorite product, primer, foundation, bronzer, etc. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose the products and I'll be right back and tell you guys the 8 products that I'm choosing for this project. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It didn't take me that long, but I had to change one of the numbers. So there's one that says good for skin, hair, and nails. I'm not gonna put in a project plan a vitamin. I don't have any beauty product that's good for hair, skin, and nails. Maybe an oil, but I never use oils. I have one and I use it so randomly that it doesn't work for me, and I never put it on my hair because then it gets oily. I have a separate product for each of those things except for vitamins. So I decided to switch that up, and the number that I got was 31, and it says a product that you got for free, whether it's a sample or PR or a gift, I guess. So then I chose all of the products and I ended up having 6 products only instead of 8, and I'm gonna explain why. So the first product that I chose comes with 3 of the products that I want to include in this project, and then that's the impulse buy. then something yellow, and then your Hogwarts house color. And the reason behind it, before I show it to you, it's because I purchased it because I wanted to try the formula, but it was sort of a, okay, I have a little amount of money, I'm gonna place an order, and I placed it. And it's because of a YouTuber that I love, but then I placed it and I didn't truly need it. And I knew deep inside that I was buying it for the impulse and for the hype, but I wasn't buying it because I needed it or because I truly was gonna use it. So every time I see it, I feel guilty about it. And it's this So Jaded palette. So I decided that since this was the first one that I chose because it was an impulse buy, I decided that I wanted to heat pan in one eyeshadow. And then when I went to the other category, something yellow, I decided that I wanted to heat pan in one eyeshadow. And then also I want to heat pan on citrine, which is something yellow, which is this eyeshadow. And then for the Hogwarts category, since my house is Gryffindor, I chose to also heat pan in ruby or garnet, whichever comes first. And that way what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get more use out of this palette, hopefully heat pan on 3 shades, the one that the impulse buy category has, then the yellow one, and then one of the reddish shades. And that will help me be more motivated to use this palette since it's basically brand new. The only eyeshadow that I've used from here is this one, and maybe I've done 2 eye looks with it. So almost all of the shades are unused, and I really want to use it. It's a beautiful palette. It's brand new. I bought it because I love Kathleen Lights, but I didn't need it in my collection. So those are 3 of the categories in one palette, and for me that's gonna be an amazing way to show love to another palette in my collection since I have a goal. I truly want to have pan in every single eyeshadow palette that I own. That's gonna be a way for me to use that, and I'm gonna put it in my everyday makeup drawer. Then for the product you own too, or a dupe, then I chose the MAC Tan Pigment. And I have this L'Oreal eyeshadow that I love, and it's the Infallible in the shade Amber Rush. I actually prefer this one over this one because the packaging of this one is way better and this one is messy. So what I'm gonna try to do is just use it more. I'm gonna use it until I get bored, and then if I feel like I'm bored with it, I will rotate it, but at least I want to use it 10 times. And this pigment is so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can swatch it, and this is a mini size. You don't need more than a mini size for sure, you guys. And what I love about this pigment is that it's actually one of those shades that you can use every day, and it goes with the way that I do my makeup every single day. It's not one that's gonna clash with my makeup style. So here it's more of a heavier swatch so that you guys can see how beautiful this shines. So this is gonna be the product of Something You Own 2 of. I'm hoping that I can get some progress shown out of this little baby. Then it was Close to Using Up but Forget to Reach For. This product, I'm close to using it up. I do not love it, but it's the bronzer that I'm wearing on my face today, and it's something that I really need to get out of my collection. I love to finish my bronzers. Bronzer is one of those categories that I never get rid of and that I always finish. I always go through my bronzers and I always finish a couple a year, or I make dents and dips in a couple of them a year. This one, I even crushed the little net that it came with because it wasn't helping me get the product out and get it to be as pigmented as I wanted. So now what I do is I dip my brush, then I stroke it against the little closing lid, and that way I will get enough product and mix together in a brush in a way that I can use it on my face. So if I can finish this bronzer that has been in my collection for ages, then that would be awesome. This is the Guerlain Terracotta Mineral Powder Bronzer. This is the Flawless Bronzing Powder in the shade 01 Light. I know that I can finish bronzer, and the reason why I chose one is because I need to be motivated when I'm in a project pan. And if I have a product that I know I can finish, after I finish it, that will get me going and I will finish way more products than I was expecting to. Then for the category for good for skin, hair, and nails, I erased that category. I'm gonna scrape it right here. That I don't want. And then your Hogwarts house color, we already decided that it's gonna be in the So Jaded palette. And then for something black, for something black, I chose the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Oil Slick. You guys know that I love my Urban Decay pencils. I just have too many of them, and I never use this one because it's a black, but it's more of a grayish tone. Since it has silver glitter on it, then it doesn't show as black as I would like, but it's good for every day, and that will help me stretch the life of the other black pencils that I own. So I'm gonna be using this a ton. I'm hopefully gonna be able to finish it because I wear black eyeliner every single day. So I'm hoping that I can just interchange it with that one. And since it's a sharpenable, you will see the progress, but this is gonna be exciting because it would be another black eyeliner or another Urban Decay Glide On pencil from the oldies that I had out of my collection. I have a few new ones, a black one and a brown one, that those I know I will finish soon, and I don't even want to finish them because those I use every day, but the colorful ones, I'm working on them. So this will be a good way to finish another one. For a favorite product, I chose Madly, and this one, the reason why I chose it is because it's on this NARS palette that I created, and Madly is this one right here. This for years has been one of my favorite blushes, if not my favorite blush in my entire collection. And then since I depotted it and we have been closed down in COVID, I haven't been using it. And this is a beautiful shade to use every single day. I want to finish it, and then surely at some point I will repurchase because it's one of the most beautiful shades in my collection, and I know I can finish it because I have finished blushes like Orgasm before. And that way, if I keep it on this palette and keep this palette right here, I will start to finish up also Luster, which is another one of my favorites, and you can see that I have Major Pan in that one as well. So it's gonna be a win-win. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it, but I'm gonna do my best to use it a ton, and if I get bored, I can just rotate it. And then a product that you got for free. This one I don't have any specific goals, but I'm gonna put it in my drawer again to use it more. These I purchased. This is a Burberry Rose Gold number 04 Fresh Glow highlighter. I purchased the Nude Glow when it was released as a limited edition product. That was a highlight that I put on my first project pan, and I love it. I love the formula of this one. And then on PR, I got the Burberry Rose Gold after, I think, a year after I hit pan on that one. And this one I've used a few times, but I haven't truly used it that much, and I wanna show it some more love. This is one of those highlighters that it can be blinding, but it looks so expensive on the cheeks. I'm gonna show you if I can apply just a little bit more on my cheeks. Look at it. It's just so beautiful. It catches the light like nothing else. So I just want to use this one more. If I hit pan on it, that's wonderful. But if I don't, that will be okay as well. This type of highlighter was the one that I love to use as a chin highlighter because the formula is so freaking nice. You can see it right here. Oh my goodness. It looks so glowy. So then I would buff it into my face. But I love that highlighter. I think few highlighters are as beautiful as the Burberry formula, and I know nowadays we have a ton of highlighters that are great quality. So those are my 6 products, but I'm gonna actually hit pan on 8 or finish 8 or do whatever goal on 8 products because that's the goal for the project pan. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna see the rules in depth and see if there is an amount of time that I have to rotate these products, but I'm gonna make the best out of them. And I feel like I wouldn't have chosen these products. I was gonna choose this one for in 2021 Project Pan because I wanted to finish this, but if I can finish it sooner, then why not? If I'm already finishing a lot of the other products that I have in my other Project Pans and I don't have a bronzer to compete in that category. So I wanted to choose something that was actually gonna get a lot of love. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really happy to be part of this collab. It was sort of a last minute thing, and now I'm gonna film the video that I had planned for today, but I'm happy that I decided to go in with it. And I'm gonna set my goals right here and write them down, and I'm gonna be doing updates I think monthly or every 2 months. You guys know that I always switch it up, but if I can't do it monthly, I will. So that's it for this video, you guys. Go and follow Rebecca, Alejandra, and then Ale. She's my favorite. I'm gonna leave their channels below. For the emoji today, let's just put something related to So Jaded, and let's do either Tiger Eye or My Precious. Those two are eyeshadow names from this palette, and they can be the emoji if you watch the entire video. And that's it, you guys. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.